Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about what to do if the Wi-Fi on your phone is not working. In 2025, with new phone models and network technologies, Wi-Fi issues can happen sometimes, but don't worry. I'll walk you through simple, step-by-step solutions to fix your Wi-Fi problems easily. 1. Toggle Wi-Fi off and on. The first and easiest step is to turn your Wi-Fi off and then back on. Sometimes a temporary glitch causes connection problems. Go to your phone's settings. Find the Wi-Fi option and turn it off. Wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Try connecting again. 2. Turn airplane mode on and off. If toggling Wi-Fi doesn't help, try turning on airplane mode and then turning it off. This resets all wireless connections temporarily. Open your phone's control center. Turn on airplane mode and keep it on for about 15 to 20 seconds. Turn airplane mode off. Try connecting to Wi-Fi again. 3. Forget and reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. Sometimes the saved Wi-Fi network settings get corrupted. Forgetting and reconnecting helps. Go to Settings Greater Than. Wi-Fi Greater Than. Tap on the connected network. Select Forget this network. Search for the network again, enter the password, and reconnect. 4. Restart your phone. Restarting is simple but very effective. It resets background processes that may interfere with Wi-Fi. Restart your phone normally. After restarting, try connecting to Wi-Fi again. 5. Restart your router and modem. Sometimes the problem is not with your phone but with your internet device. Unplug your router and modem from power for 10 seconds. Plug them back in and let them fully restart. Try connecting your phone to Wi-Fi again. 6. Check the Wi-Fi password. Make sure you are entering the correct Wi-Fi password. A wrong password will prevent connection. Double-check the password you're entering. Verify the password from the router label if needed. 7. Update your phone software. Outdated software can cause connection problems. Go to Settings Greater Than Software Update. Check if an update is available. If yes, update your phone's software. Try connecting to Wi-Fi after updating. 8. Reset network settings. If nothing else works, resetting network settings can help. Go to Settings Greater Than. System Greater Than Reset Options Greater Than Reset Network Settings. This will reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile data settings without deleting personal data. After reset, reconnect to Wi-Fi. 9. Check for hardware issues. If the Wi-Fi still doesn't work, the problem might be hardware related. Visit an authorized service center for a hardware check. A technician can diagnose and repair Wi-Fi module issues. 10. Switch Wi-Fi frequency bands to 0.4 GHz, 5 GHz. Modern phones support both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. Sometimes one band may have issues. Access your router settings and try switching the frequency band. Connect your phone to the other band and check if the problem is resolved.
So friends, if your phone's Wi-Fi isn't working, follow these steps carefully. Most of the time, these easy fixes will solve your problem. If the issue persists, professional help is recommended. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.